It was very great experience, I would say. The conversation was really engaging. Yeah, I mean, the kind of thoughts which we exchanged. I mean, that also gives you lot many new ideas to think, probe, decide something new. Yeah. So I'm going back after this interaction with many new themes, new ideas, which the jury with their experience has put on the table, and it gives us a fantastic opportunity to kind of fine tune our approaches. So it's a, I would say, a mutually beneficial exercise. I mean, awards is something which everyone would like to have, and we would like to have it. However, from a conversation and engagement perspective, that's a great forum to engage with the industry veterans and the perspectives out of their rich experience and whatever cross learning has happened along with them. So that's a great
So like juries were like more intense, or like it was like a chill?
No, I would say they have engaged with us on a peer level. So it's mix of understanding, the kind of mutual respect which was there, because things have moved over the period of time, and the industry is also moving at a very much faster pace. Right? So things which were relevant around 5 years back or 7 years back is now changing at a much faster pace, and then it was good in terms of getting challenged and